Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add an image zoom hover effect on Wix. This is a fantastic way to make your website more interactive and engaging, giving visitors a dynamic experience when they hover over images. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the specific site settings where you can manage all aspects of your website. Now you should see the website settings displayed on your screen. Make sure that this is the correct website you wish to work on and where you want to add the hover effect. It's important to verify this step, especially if you're managing multiple sites, to avoid making changes to the wrong project. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This button will take you directly into the Wix Studio website editor, where you can start customizing your site's design and layout. You will now be directed to the Wix Studio website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, start by accessing the Add Elements button on the left navigation panel. This panel is your toolbox for adding various features and components to your website, so it's essential to get familiar with it. From the expanded menu, look for the interactive element and click on it. This will reveal all the interactive elements Wix has to offer, giving you plenty of options to enhance user engagement. Since we're looking to add a hover image effect, look for the hover box option. Once you find it, drag it to your canvas where you want the effect to appear. This element is specifically designed for interactive hover effects, making it perfect for what we're trying to achieve. Since this is an interactive element, you'll see the interaction type displayed on the top of this box. You'll notice the hover option, which is exactly what we need for this tutorial. Now to customize and add your image, simply click on the image placeholder within the hover box. You'll see a change image option appear. Click on it and an image selector window will open up. This is where you can choose your desired image. You can choose from site files, media from Wix, or even upload your own image. Browse through the options and select the one you wish to use for your hover effect. Once you've made your selection, click on Choose Image on the bottom right part of this window. The image will now be applied to your hover box, and visitors will see a zoom effect when they hover over it. And that's it. You've successfully added an image zoom hover effect to your Wix website, making it more interactive and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.